Hi everyone, I am Harshita. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today I have brought this poem for you and the title is Phases of Life. Now when I say the words phases of life, the phases generally include being an infant, a teenager, an adult, or being an old person. But I have not written this poem on these phases specifically. Instead, I have picked up certain moments or instances from here and there from these phases and I have created this poem. I'll tell you about few of the moments that I have mentioned in the poem. The first one is learning to walk along with your dad or mom, then wanting to grow up, from uprooting the grass to building a family tree, sitting with your lovers, coming home to your mother's love, and there are just a few more moments in the poem. Now I'll recite the poem. I hope you like it. The title is Phases of Life. Oldest of all tombs, slipping out of mother's womb, learning to stride along with dad, to shrewdly getting away and sad. Excited to grow old, lamenting while being bold, abating the storm of memories, fighting predicaments with ease. Coming home to mother's benevolence, to sitting with your lover at the corner bench, from uprooting the grass to building a family tree, from causing a ruckus to breathing free, from making erroneous decisions to correcting your kids, from fighting with cushions to actually enjoying the wins. I think this is what life is all about. Thank you. That was my short poem on phases of life. I hope you liked it. I would also like to add a little thing. I recently watched a show. So there's this man who is suffering from cancer and he's about to die. Someone comes up to him and asks that how does it feel to know that you are dying? And he replies that I see all these small moments in front of me and they all are flying. And they are just too many that I cannot catch all of them. And it hurts to admit that I'll miss the rest of them. So that thing really hit me because whatever life we are left with, we should live it to the fullest. We should enjoy and celebrate each and every moment. I know, easier said than done, but the least and the most we can do is give it a try, because just like sun rises every other day, there's always another day for a fresh and a positive start. So that was all. That was my poem. That was a mini lecture. I hope you liked it. I'll see you next time. Until then, take care, stay safe. Bye.